Hi, this is PG Gordy of PG Newser. I wanted to talk briefly about AI tool. Well, uh, a very an idea that I have for an AI tool. As I'm looking at some of the news that we cover on PG Newser at pgnewser.com, I I just recently did a story on the United States military, in this particular instance, the Army, basically declaring its commitment to handing over battlefield decision making to AI, to artificial intelligence. And I thought about all the ways in which artificial intelligence is being incorporated to make decisions for us. And the interesting security problem that brings up, and that is this: if you're going to have AI tools make decisions, what you have to be sure is that the AI tools that you have don't have code written in them that ends up making decisions, which is actually for someone else. Never mind whether AI can become cognizant or not. I'm not going to address that. I'm not going down that whole, you know, Skynet thing. I'm just saying, I think then that there could come a day as a check to this, that what you will I don't know how it will happen, if it's possible. Maybe it's not even scientifically possible, but I'm going to say, what you're going to want to have is some sort of secure AI. And by secure by I mean, let's see, it's an AI translator. Okay, I'm looking for AI tool portable. By AI, I mean essentially uh, a program designed to, process information and help you make decisions, whether it's helping design. But essentially, it's a core AI. It's your core AI, and that core AI is able to, with security, it can defend you from outside, and there will be some way that you'll be able to connect to your personal AI, and you'll have it in some sort of capacity, whether you have it embedded or whatever it is. Whether I would imagine you would probably want to have like some sort of serious deep body embedding of some sort. I don't know. Maybe not deep body embedding. Maybe just a really, really secure necklace that even if somebody found it, you're going to have backup. I mean, if you get into I don't know. But I could see, like, in the world of the future, let me tell you, right now, IP is king. Intellectual property. I was going to say internet protocol, and then I caught myself, and then I was going to end up saying internet property, but I'm going to say, intellectual property is king. The mega corporations, they're the ones that have IP. It's all about IP. I mean, even John Deere. You can't even fix your own tractor because of IP. Pepsi is literally suing dirt farmers for growing their copyrighted potatoes. AI is king. IP is king. But what's going to become king, queen, whatever, in the very near future is going to be three things, and these three things will have to be. I'm going to say four things, and these four things, they can be in digital form, but they also have to be within human form. This is what you need. Okay, these are the commodities of the future: trust, reliability. I'm going to say excellence. You do what you do well. So we got trust, reliability, excellence, and the last thing, trust, reliability, excellence. I can't remember the fourth one. Maybe I really did only mean three things: trust, reliability, excellence, and security. Yeah, actually, yeah, that's the most important. Actually, At the end of the day, if you don't have security, then you don't have the others. You have to have a secure firewall, and that's what you need. And because outside there's so many ways to be deceived in the world ahead. You know, you have deep fakes and that trust, reliability, security, and excellence. These are the key, and I think in that environment, this type of AI security tool will emerge. It'll be some sort of personal tool that only you have access to. Is like you might even be a process where you actually have to create it yourself, even if you're given some guidelines and whatever. A build a kit, a build your own AI kit, but it might be something that you'd wanna look under the hood yourself, because you want to be able to, as best as you can when you're creating that firewall, make sure it's a firewall to start with. So these are my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, or not.